Okay. What's your name?
My name Kevin.
How are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm happy.
How old are you?
I'm sick.
Okay. How is she?
I'm happy.
She.
He is 13. He
She.
is sun. He is cold.
Is she happy?
Yes.
Is he happy?
No.
What do you want?
I want meal. I want food. I want chicken. I want rice.
Good. Who's that?
Three mom. Three baby. Three grandma. Three sister.
Yeah. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
No brother, one sister.
What's the sound?
But him
Yeah.
the wait quick to brain.
Okay. Good.